Mansi Sharma.
So Mansi, how was the exam?
It was fine. QA was a bit difficult, and it was more DI oriented set, and VA was like doable. And I guess the paper QA was kind of lengthy, and students got less time for the essay part.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if I ask you the difficulty level section wise, according to you, which was the most difficult section?
I felt it was QA, as I am a non-engineer, so it is not my strength.
Okay.
Also, students got just 10 minutes for the essay, and it was very, chaos all there in the room because everyone was typing. And so,
What were the topics for essay?
one was something related to economics, and the other was like failures and success of managers.
Of managers, right. So have you appeared for any other entrance exams?
Yeah, I appeared for all of the MBA exams like SNAP, CAT, and all.
So which one did you find to be the most difficult?
I thought it is CAT.
CAT?
Yeah.
And what about that? How would you rate it?
That because the decision making part is a bit scoring, therefore it is more like my kind of exam, and QA and LR is kind of difficult in CAT also.
Right.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, man. What's your name?
My name is Sarthak.
So Karthik, how was that exam?
The exam was pretty fine. It was not amazingly good, but yeah, it was good. The exam was pretty much balanced. Verbal RC passages were a little tough. The grammar part was easier. Decision making, some of the sets were difficult for me. Particularly, there was one set where the decision making was actually not happening for me, working out. Quant, relatively the quant questions were easier, but the DI part was a little bit complicated. Rather not complicated, but a little lengthier to solve. So that's where we got stuck. And yeah, the GK was pretty much out of the code. It could not be knocked off easily. And then there was an essay. There were two essays rather. You had to write one of the topics. One could be either whether you think that their performance, the stellar academic performance that you have so far, does it make you an average manager when the business school selects you? And they don't have any risk, they are risk averse managers perhaps to say. And the second topic was democracy and the capitalism. Either they go hand in hand together or they cannot coexist. So that was an interesting topic, but considering the time shortage, I chose the other topic, which was the risk averse managers.
Right.
So that's how it went. It went pretty fine. So hoping for a good result.
Were you able to manage to do all the questions within the time limit?
No, I did 55 questions. So there were 75 in the first part, and then there were 25 GK questions in the second, and one essay question.
Okay. So have you appeared for any other MBA entrance exam?
Yes, I have appeared for CAT and IIFT.
So how would you rate the difficulty level in comparison to that?
I think overall it was nearer to CAT. Perhaps CAT was difficult because of the LRDI. Mine was slot 3. Over here, I think that the grammar or the verbal part is a little complex because considering the verbiage that they use, the words are a little higher level, the vocabulary is complex. And decision making itself is something which is subjective to everyone.
Right.
So perhaps it works out for me a little difficult on that part.
Thank you so much, Sarthak. Hi, what's your name?
My name is Tanya Gupta.
Okay, so Tanya, how was your exam?
It was pretty good.
Okay, so have you appeared for other MBA entrance exams?
Yeah. I have appeared for CAT, NMAT, SNAP, IIFT.
So if I ask you to compare the difficulty level amongst all these exams, so how would you like?
So since these exams were my first attempts, so basically I found CAT to be very difficult because at that time I had some family emergencies too. So basically I was mentally prepared for that and other exams. So I found that to be pretty decent in terms of at least decision making. And the essay, I found decision making to be personally very fine, and QA was average in terms of the difficulty level and the lengthy wiseness, so it was quite okay with me.
So can you just give me the difficulty level section wise for the ZAT?
Section wise, one needs to be very strategic about the RCs he or she must be attempting. Then definitely you have to prioritize the questions also because there will be a penalty. So VA was very much doable.
Okay.
Till the time you have that pre-mindset that okay, these are the number of RCs I'll be focusing on. And then decision making is very much doable. Then QA was doable, but then the algebraic questions were very much difficult for me at least. And the essay part was very much done, and GK was very difficult for me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hi ma'am, what's your name?
My name is Rian Akbar.
And how was the difficulty level of the exam?
It was moderate.
Moderate. And section-wise difficulty, if you can recall.
Section-wise difficulty, I found DI to be difficult.
Okay. And essay writing was introduced this year again. So, did you find it difficult?
The topic was one was difficult and one was moderate. So it was not as if we can attempt any one.
Okay. And did you appear for any other exam
Yes, I have appeared for NMAT, IIFT and CAT.
as compared to the other exams? How was this on the difficulty level?
It was difficult than NMAT,
Okay.
but equal to IIFT.
Okay. Thank you. Hi, what's your name? And how was the exam, Muskan?
Exam was good. Not difficulty level was good.
And section-wise difficulty level?
Difficulty level English was also easy. Quant was also easy. This section, every section was easy. DM section was a bit tricky. Yeah,
Okay.
DM section was a bit tricky.
And essay writing was reintroduced this year.
Yes.
And what was the topic? If you can
One
recall.
topic was based on management and one was on politics, I guess. Politics. वो मैंने करा नहीं. I did the management one. That was easy.
Okay. And did you take any other exam?
Yes, I did that.
Okay. And how will you rate the difficulty level as compared to other exams?
Other exams, difficulty level was nice. मतलब, you can do it. Not that difficult.
Okay, thank you.